Today I'm going to show you how to remove shadows in Photoshop and give any photo a clean, polished look, even if those shadows were ruining your shot. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to fix image shadows confidently using a few powerful tools. Whether you're working on portraits, product shots, or casual snaps, getting rid of unwanted shadows will transform your edits, and it's easier than you might think. Let's get right into it with the tools you'll be using. Each one offers a slightly different approach, depending on the kind of shadow you're dealing with. First up is the Dodge tool. This is Photoshop's classic brush for lightening targeted areas, perfect for when a shadow isn't too deep or textured. Located in your toolbar, its icon looks like a lollipop if you squint. Once you've selected the Dodge tool, pick a soft brush from the options and make sure to adjust the exposure slider to a low setting, usually between 10–20%. This keeps the effect gentle and more natural, so you don't accidentally wash out the details in your photo. Now slowly paint over the areas shadowed in your image. Take your time here, work in small strokes, and watch how the dark patches begin to lift. Remember, less is more with the Dodge tool. Sometimes it helps to step back and take a quick look at your overall image, just to make sure you're not overdoing it. Now let's talk about actually replacing shadow with texture. Maybe the shadow is too harsh to simply lighten. That's when you want the clone stamp tool or the healing brush. These work by borrowing texture and color from another part of your photo and stamping it over the shadow. Before you do anything, create a new layer first, so you're editing non-destructively and can undo mistakes easily. With the clone stamp selected, hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac and click on an area near the shadow that has similar texture and lighting. Think of this as telling Photoshop, copy from here. When you paint over the shadow, adjust your brush size and flow as needed. If you need to tweak things, sample different areas until it blends in naturally. A quick tip: avoid sampling from areas with different colors or patterns, or you might end up with visible stamp marks. Sometimes shadows sit right on top of a flat, even surface. The patch tool is ideal in these cases. Select it from the toolbar, then make sure Content Aware mode is chosen in the top options. Draw a selection loosely around the shadow, no need to be super precise. Then drag that selection to a section of your photo with similar lighting and texture. Photoshop will magically blend things for you, using Content-Aware technology to fill in the gap. You may need to run the patch a couple of times for tougher shadows, don't worry, that's normal. And finally, if you're lucky enough to have the newer versions of Photoshop, the Remove tool is a game changer. It uses AI to do the heavy lifting, analyzing your image and filling in the area you want to fix. Select the Remove tool, which also looks like a brush, then paint directly over the shadow. After a quick processing moment, Photoshop fills the shadow with matching content. Super easy and surprisingly effective, especially for tricky textures. Remember, don't rush, give yourself time to work gradually and check your results. Every photo is a bit different, so feel free to mix and match these tools until you get the look you want. If something doesn't look right, don't sweat it, just undo and try a different approach. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or specific shadow challenges. Don't forget to subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tricks. I've got plenty coming your way. Thanks for watching and happy editing.